Anyway, today's recipe is going to be a breakfast recipe which is going to fill you and make you feel good. I got some yogurt and I got some mixed fruits and bits and pieces which I'm going to be taking you through it. Make you guys can make this one at home. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Remember, my new garlic press is here. Get your one to use in your kitchen to make your garlic tea and all these things, and ginger tea. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna make you guys a nice, lovely, healthy breakfast in the morning to fill you and make you feel good before you go to work. All right, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo and the team, and don't go anywhere. This is amazing recipe. All right, so basically I have some frozen mixed fruits right here which I want to use. It's roughly about half cups of mixed fruits because they're frozen, you know, when they melt down it's going to be different. So put it straight inside of a blender like this. All right, that is lovely and nice. Secondly, I have ripe banana which I want to use, and I'm going to simply use half fingers of ripe banana inside of it to give it that lovely smooth out. Just break it and put it straight inside of it. You don't need to worry yourself about what's gonna happen, Chef Ricardo. That's not gonna come out good. You will see. Secondly, we're going to put on some, this is some fat-free yogurt. Alright, we're going to put some yogurt inside of it. Just like that, roughly about half cups of it, alright? Secondly, guys, honestly, you can use organic honey, or you know what I mean? Yeah, you can use yourself some organic honey. Why not? I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of yogurt, honey inside of it. All right. That looking good. We're just gonna put a little bit of water, not much, just a tiny little bit of water. You can use milk, or you can use low skimmy milk and all these milk, but I don't want to use any milk. I just want to keep it really authentic, natural. Secondly, once I have a good blender, you don't need to worry yourself, and this is what happens. Beautiful and nice. And once that's finished, you don't need to worry yourself, all right, and wonder what's gonna happen, because this is fantastic and an amazing sustenance, and that is lovely and nice. All right, so all you're going to do is this. Look at this. Ah, my days. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is beautiful, guys. That is fantastic and an amazing. All right, let's get this bit wiped up, and I mean, yeah. That is lovely and an amazing. Whoa, what more can I say? There is nothing else to say about this whole entire thing, guys. Honestly, it just amazing. It just fantastic, lovely and nice. All right, and that's what's happening in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas and a lot more things coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. All right, so see you next time. Bye bye.